Take a ride in the 2019 Ford Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preference of its drivers. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, front wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, bucket seats, trip computer, CD player, MP3 player. Your new ride is just a phone call away.